Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I've got the Osmo Pocket in my hand. It's in its little protective case, which I've really grown to love this case, even though it's not waterproof and it's not completely enclosed. It's very small, it's very lightweight, and I love how I can charge and also download photos with this thing. Well, I shouldn't say download photos with it in the case because the gimbal will move around when you power down. But I can charge it while it's in the case, and then I can take it out and I can plug in USB-C cable and import my videos into Final Cut Pro 10 without having to eject the micro SD card every time. And thanks to several viewers, because I got stumped with this when I initially had the, when I initially got the Osmo Pocket, because I was plugging it in to my Mac computer by way of USB-C cable, and it would acknowledge on the screen on the Osmo Pocket computer connected or something like that, and I would hit OK, but it would never download. And the root cause of that, again, thanks to my viewers, was this little piece right here. I didn't have this temporary, protector on. I had my lightning style iPhone connector. And as the product of doing so, when I had that on, for whatever reason, at least with the current firmware version, that iPhone connector being connected would override the USB-C on the bottom. So in other words, the USB-C on the bottom, it would charge, but it wouldn't allow videos to be imported into my computer, in my case Final Cut Pro 10. So the fix is simple. All that I had to do, I just put this little temporary placeholder on here, or thanks to another viewer's feedback, you can take the lightning style, iPhone style connector, and instead of having the lightning style plug facing out, you just flip it around and face it this way. And if it's facing that way, where it can't be connected to your iPhone, then you can still plug in your USB-C and import your videos into Final Cut Pro 10 or whatever video editing application you use. So I hope this video is of value. If it was, be sure to thumbs up this video, comment below. If you're looking for the Osmo Pocket, the various accessories, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order it all online. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you do, be sure to ring that bell icon, because when you ring the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Rick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.